What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Today we are going to be completely revamping the archery range. It's been way too long. You can see the bales have all kind of fallen apart and everything in the background here. So we're gonna get all this stuff out of here, clean this area up, and then we are going to be taking all of this material here and we're gonna build ourselves a new archery range. Once we get the archery range built, I'll sling a few arrows, give you guys kind of a look. We've got the new Tacticam attached to the front of the bow, so I'll give you guys a little bit of a view of that as well. Any of the gear I use, I'll drop links for down below, so check those out. Hope you guys enjoy the build. Alright guys, so we've got the whole area cleared out here now. A few of those hay bales fell apart. I'm going to be using them as backup kind of in the back, just as a little extra reassurance. But the next thing is going to grab that big pallet there, pull it over here, sorry that's the neighbor's dog, and get some uprights put in. Once we get the uprights put in, and we're going to take a lot of that rubber and we're going to pinch it between a couple of boards. And then we're gonna mount that hanging up behind all our targets. So that's what you're gonna see next. Alright guys, had to swap out batteries, so you missed me getting that corner done, but that board's a little warped, so I just had to clamp it down. Gonna do the same thing here. I've got it clamped. Gonna get that side done. Then we're just gonna put in a couple side supports here just to hold this back wall up. And then I've got a bunch of these extra 2x6s here that I'm gonna mark the base of the feet from the 3D targets and mount the targets right here. But then we have this good rubber back wall. It's got some give. Arrow hits it, it'll kind of bounce it off, deflect it a little bit. I do have that other roll that you guys saw at the beginning. I'm going to add a little bit of that to the back as needed. Maybe put a little bit over on this side and this side just to fill in those gaps. And then eventually we're going to put a roof on this thing. That's not going to be for today's video. That'll be for a future video. But we're going to get the rest of this set up. So enjoy the build. Alright guys, so got most of it up. We got one of the deer up. I'm gonna put the other ones up. We're gonna get the block target put back up. I've got some pallets I'm gonna set that on top of, just kind of get it up off the ground a little bit. Gotta put a couple of the hay bales into the back here behind these so that the gaps underneath, in case an arrow tries to slip under, it'll hit those hay bales and stop. And then I've got, like I said, I've got that roll of rubber. I'm gonna put a piece on this side and a piece on that side after I do the upright supports. So we're gonna knock that out and then we'll sling a few arrows, so stay tuned. Alrighty guys, so there it is. Got my old Glendale buck there. Got another old 3D deer target that I've had probably since about 2009. So it's been around the block a few times. I fixed it up with some old spray foam stuff and things like that over the years. And then we've got our new 3D buck. I bought this one off. This is the shooter buck. It's a shooter3d.com, or you can buy them on Amazon. I'll throw links down below for you guys. It's about $100 for this target right here for the shooter buck, and it should last me a good long time. I've got that Glendale buck, had it for a good long time. I'll put links down below for all of those. And then we have the block. The block is for broadheads only. If you shoot regular field points at a block, they're going to go in so fast that it's going to melt that plastic in, and that arrow is going to get stuck in that target, and they're going to be a pain to get out. So only shoot broadheads at the block target. But I'll throw a link down below for that as well. Like I said, we're going to back up here. We're going to sling a few arrows. I'm going to film it with the Tacticam. Again, I'll throw a link down below for that. And I'm also going to be using a monocular with my cell phone to film some as well, to get you guys some good close-up views of the impacts. So we're going to get that done. So stay tuned and we'll sling some arrows. Alrighty guys, we're shooting gold tip hunter arrows. They're 300 spine. I shoot 100 grain muzzies, the replaceable blades, because they come with practice broadheads. So these will fly just like your hunting arrows. So if you're looking for, if you shoot 100 grains or you shoot, I believe Muzzy makes them for the other weights too, but I know for a fact they do for their 3-blade, but they do make those practice broadheads. I shoot the Bowtech Guardian, and like I said, we've got the Tacticam right here on our stabilizer mount. So we're going to get that set up and going, and we're going to give you guys a few different views. We've got the monocular set up back there, got the Tacticam, and we've got the GoPro. So we'll give you guys a few different views of shooting at the new setup. Shoot one at the block. And we'll shoot one at the bedded deer. With the Tacticam. Alrighty guys, so there's our shots. You saw them coming at you. Not too bad for having not shot for a while. That new deer target stops those broadheads dead. So great little target there. That's the Shooter 3D buck. You get it at shooter3d.com or Amazon. I bought mine at Amazon. I'll post the links down below for that. Lungs 10 rain. I'll walk up here, show you guys the shots.
I think we'll have to get some nocturnals or something like that so you guys can see these shots better. But there you go. Shooter buck. Links will be down below. Filmed by Tacticam, guys. Again, links down below. Don't forget to share your hunt. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. Please like and share these videos. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do that. It really helps the channel a lot. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can catch all my upcoming videos. Till next time, guys, we'll catch you down the line.